CO2 molecule formation. Here in the CO2 molecule, carbon is the central atom. So carbon orbitals can undergo hybridization. The type of hybridization in the CO2 molecule is sp hybridization. Generally, carbon atomic number is 6. Electronic configuration of carbon is this. Here 2s second electron excited from 2s level to 2pz. The excited electronic configuration of carbon looks like this. So here one s orbital, one p orbital will intermix each other to form two new sp hybrid orbitals. So these are the new sp hybrid orbitals of carbon, and 2py, 2pz orbitals are unhybridized. So these are the unhybrid orbitals of carbon. Actually, carbon hybrid orbitals looks like this. This is the one sp hybrid orbital of carbon, another sp hybrid orbital of carbon. After intermixing of orbitals, the new hybrid orbitals will form with same energy and same shape. So the two new sp hybrid orbitals looks like same. So this is the combination of the two new sp hybrid orbitals of carbon. Here in the CO2 molecule, two oxygens are the adjacent atoms. So orbitals containing unpaired electrons of adjacent atoms will overlap with hybrid orbitals of the central atom. So these are the two unpaired orbital electrons containing orbitals of two oxygens. sp hybrid orbitals of carbon containing each unpaired electrons. So this is the actual orbital structure of central atom carbon after hybridization. These are the two electrons of new sp hybrid orbitals of carbon. These are the two electrons containing unhybrid orbitals of carbon. So that we can observe overlapping of adjacent atoms with central atom carbon. This is one carbon and oxygen overlapping. By direct overlapping, pz of one oxygen, sigma bond is formed. By sidewise overlapping of py orbitals, pi bond is formed between one oxygen and central atom carbon. Here we can observe the carbon central atom and another oxygen, second oxygen. This is the by direct overlapping, a sigma bond is formed between carbon and second oxygen, and by sidewise overlapping of pz orbitals we can observe pi bond here. Okay, here we can observe half part of the carbon and sigma bond and pi bond formation with first oxygen, and this is another part of the carbon, another side of the carbon, and sigma bond and pi bond formation between this carbon and second oxygen. Okay, so the hybrid orbitals with overlap, by overlapping sigma bonds are formed. By direct by sidewise overlapping of py orbitals and pz orbitals, pi bonds are formed between central atom carbon and two oxygens. This is the complete orbital structure of CO2 molecule. By this representation also we can understand the formation of CO2 molecule. So atom carbon, and this is first oxygen, this is second oxygen. These two are the unhybrid orbitals of central atom carbon. By hybrid orbitals, second oxygen with one sp hybrid orbital of carbon formed sigma bond, and this is the another sigma bond, first oxygen, pz orbital of first oxygen, and another new sp hybrid orbital of carbon formed another sigma bond. So here in the one oxygen and unhybrid orbital of py, carbon py, they formed pi bond, and unhybrid orbital of carbon pz and second oxygen pz formed pi bond.